And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, with concerns being raised over the state of Jamaica's men's sprinting, coach of 2011 world champion Johan Blake has assured that the 29-year-old still has more to give. Meanwhile, at least one coach is reiterating the call for some track athletes to try their hand at the field events, given Jamaica's success at the Doha World Championships. Jordan Fort now reports.
Patrick Dawson, coach for 2011 100-meter world champion Johan Blake, says the 29-year-old performed up to standard despite the fact that he missed out on a medal at the recently concluded IAAF World Championships in Doha. Blake ended 5th in the 100-meter final in 9.97 seconds, but missed out on a place in the final of the 200 meters.
His performance was up to standard. However, things didn't work out as we had planned, but I'm happy that he was able to go out there and came out injury-free. He decided to double based on the condition his body was in because he was ready. We knew he was ready, but like I said, things just didn't work out.
Meanwhile, triple jumper Shanika Ricketts, who won silver at the championships in Doha, is hoping that the performances of the athletes in the final will help to keep the event in the spotlight. Reports have surfaced that the triple jump may be cut from the 2020 Diamond League as organizers look to spice up the event, and Ricketts says she hopes the performances in Doha will change their mind.
I'm just happy with the direction in which the triple jump event is going, especially for Jamaica. As you know, there is a lot of news around whether or not the triple jump will be included in the Diamond League for next year. It's not yet finalized, but I think the performances from the Venezuelan, especially jumping really close to the world record, and myself jumping 14.90 meters, I think some serious considerations will be done, and hopefully they can keep it in the Diamond League for next year.
And Ricketts' enthusiasm for the jumps is shared by coach David Riley, who has once again reiterated that more athletes could switch from track to field events.
I just think that we need to focus on the basics in developing those skills and really encourage athletes, because sometimes many of the athletes who are sprinting might be best suited for some of the other field events, and they just need to be comfortable with the encouragement, knowing that they're pursuing a path that will take them to great success.